Okay, so on the bench I have an old 2230B that I'm working on, and one of the last things to finish up on it was the string dial here. And what happens is the string is just slightly loose. There's just enough slack in there where it won't tune. And so what I did is, if I push out on this bracket or this bracket, if I just pull them out slightly, it'll tune. Okay, you see that? And then I'll get it to tune. So again, nothing. But see that slack right there? So I was kind of stressing out about this, and then I thought, you know what? This has a little adjustment tension spring here. So if just by moving this bracket out just a little bit tightens that up, why not put another loop in this string? So this is what we're going to do. Sorry about the light here and all that, but I'm going to kind of show you how to do this. So if you have a really stretched string, this may not work for you guys. And I'm going to try to keep my fingers out of it. So I have the string, I have the indicator about halfway in the band, right in the middle. I have the spring up here at the top, so you can adjust that as you need. And what I did is, as you can see, this is kind of loose. So what I did is, I don't want to stretch the string. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to derail it. So I'm just going to take it, go over here, hold it with my finger. I'm going to go like that. Okay, I'm going to take that bottom string off. I'm going to kind of keep it tight still. All right. I want to get on it to where I can work on this a little bit here. My fat knuckles are in the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm just going to wrap this around the spring one more time. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to hold it there, get a little bit of tension on it while I try to get these needle nose out of my hand here. Okay. Then what we're going to do is take the finger down here, and we're going to turn it and get it back on its rail. Okay. So we're kind of doing minimal stretching here. Get her back on track. We could move this a little bit back and forth. Make sure the string is not riding over another string. And as you can see now, we've got the string expand a little bit and a little bit more tension. So now when we go to use the string dial tuner, it works as it should. So there you go. That's how I did it. If it doesn't quite catch all the time, you know, you want to make sure, like, all the little where's my little poker at? You want to make sure all this stuff is down and out of the way. See, like that. You want to make sure it's not rubbing on anything. I've seen people put these back together and they're rubbing on a wire. You want to make sure these are on there the way they should be. And then I always check for overlap. We don't want overlap there. It'll prematurely wear out the string, and it does cause it to bind up. So basically what I did with this repair was just put one more loop around the spring. It pulled it out just enough to give me just enough grab. And now I've got tuner action. Looking good.
My question is,